Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to update graphics drivers on Windows 11. So to update your graphics drivers, you have to right click on the Windows Start button on the screen. Just right click on it. Then you have to navigate to Device Manager. Then from there, you have to click on Adapter. You have to expand the display adapter. So to expand, there is this arrow button right in front of each and every single option under the device manager. So just navigate to display adapter and expand the panel. So just click on this and this will actually expand the panel. Then you just go to the graphics drivers that you want to update from here. So you just, let's say I want to update the graphic drivers for this particular AMD, which is the graphic drivers for my PC. I'm just going to click on it, then just click on update driver, and once you click on it, it will automatically update the drivers, and that's how you can simply update graphic drivers on Windows 11. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.